Hey guys, if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, how do I connect my Acura vehicle to my phone via Apple CarPlay? I'm gonna show you how to do that now, and I'll probably be pretty quick with this. First thing I'm gonna do is scroll over to my settings on my Acura vehicle. I'm gonna go to connections, and I'm gonna go down to Apple CarPlay. Connect new device, that's gonna make my device searchable. I'm gonna go to my general settings and then CarPlay on my Apple device. And now it is syncing right here. You see other cars, hands-free link. Just gonna go ahead and click that now. It's gonna take a second and then it's gonna ask me to pair the device. I'm gonna pair on the phone and then I'll pair on the car. I'm gonna allow it to sync all of my messages and everything like that. And I'm going to enable Apple CarPlay since this is the first time I'm connecting to it. It also asked me if I want to connect my Acura Link Assist for emergency services. You can do that if you like. If you're ever in an accident, it will make a call to emergency services and let them know where you're at. We're connected now. You can see my navigation on there. This is wireless, so I don't have all these wires in my way, and I have a wireless charger in this MDX Type S, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that there, and it will charge my phone while we do this. So obviously you have your navigation, like I was saying, but you also have your music apps. You can make phone calls, send text messages, and what's really nice is that you can access all this stuff through your push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. So you can ask it to make a text message, ask it to make a call. You can even ask it for directions to places. Well, I hope that answered all of your questions, but if you do have other questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to get back to you. You can come see us. We're right off Route 30 in Greensburg, PA, or visit us online at smailacura.com. All right, guys, until next time, enjoy the ride.